You see, clothing and fashion can get very confusing at times. And trust me, I know from experience. And that was me in high school. And over the past few years, I've taken 4 different clothing hacks in order to improve my dressing game. And so today, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 different clothing hacks that you can start doing today to instantly see changes in the way you style and the way you fashion. So let's get right into it. Alright, clothing hack number 1, know your colors. I think this is the most important thing that you guys can take away from this video. A lot of the times people use different colors and mash them up just to kind of create their own look, but in reality, it looks like complete garbage. Now, one thing that you guys want to learn is buy a lot more monochromatic colors. More whites, more grays, more blacks. Stay away from all the blues and greens and all those things, because when you have more monochromatic colors in your closet, you're gonna tend to see a lot more color combinations coming through. And then maybe after that, you guys can buy or put on something of a different sort of color with this shirt, or dress pants, or even shoes. But mostly you guys wanna try to buy a little bit more blacks, whites, and grays, because those colors will always match any other color that you put on the spectrum. Clothing hack number 2, and that is layering. Now, layering is something that I started doing instantly because I started seeing a lot more difference in the whole outfit and the look that I got. Now, with the things that I'm wearing right now, although this would look fine, the shirt just brings the whole outfit together. And this is specifically important to all my skinny guys out there. Layering will make you look a lot more buff, and also it just takes away from the skinny look that you guys might give off. And so layering is something specifically important to making your outfits a little bit more complicated, and again, looking really, really good. Clothing hack number 3, and I call this the vibe check. Now, there's a lot of different styles that you can go around when dressing up. Now, whether it be loungewear, which is a little bit more in and trendy recently, you can go with a little bit more of a dressy look, you can go with more of a casual look, or more of a streetwear type of look. Now, depending on the type of look you're going with, you're gonna wear specific clothes. Now, something that's really, really cool about fashion is that based off of what you're dressing like, you're gonna give off a certain personality of yourself. Now, me personally, I do tend to go more of a casual to streetwear look, just because that's personally my favorite thing and the way I love to dress. So make sure you know what you're wearing, because something specifically to streetwear might not go hand to hand with something that's dressy. So knowing what types of clothing goes with what is really, really important. So again, the vibe check is something that's really, really important, and is definitely gonna make you understand what types of clothes fit with what types of other clothes. Now we're finally at the 4th and final clothing hack. And before I mention it, I just want to say, if you guys are really enjoying these videos, make sure you like the video and you subscribe, so that tells me that I can start posting a lot more videos like this, because it's definitely something that I do enjoy. And so I'd really, really appreciate the support. Clothing hack number 4, and that is accessories. Now, although accessories doesn't really go with clothing, it is a big, big part of your whole fashion look. In my opinion, I think that accessories are the things that really bring the outfit all in together. Whether it be necklaces, rings, bracelets, or watches, everything and anything will make your outfit look a lot better. And I think something that's really, really important that I do need to mention is you don't have to spend a lot of money on clothing or accessories. To be honest, I think more people appreciate the whole overall look than where your clothes are actually from. Me personally, I don't like to spend a lot of money on clothes and accessories. These rings are from H&M and Amazon. They cost me like 20 bucks and I got a pack. These bracelets are from Amazon. Although this watch is a fossil watch, I do have other watches that are like 20, 30 bucks. And all these clothes cost me less than like 20 bucks. So money definitely does not play a role in how good your outfit is. It's all about combining everything that we've talked about, the 4 clothing hacks, and really giving off the right vibe. And that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We are about to hit 100 subscribers, so I'm very, very excited for that. And again, if you guys do enjoy it, make sure you let me know you do, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.